Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to clean flame sensor for your furnace. Begin by turning off the furnace and disconnecting power before opening the cabinet. Allow the burner compartment to cool fully before opening the access panel and handling the flame sensor. Open the furnace access panel to reach the flame sensor near the burner assembly. Locate the flame sensor near the burner assembly. Loosen the screw securing the flame sensor. Pull the flame sensor straight out of its mounting bracket. Wipe the flame sensor rod gently with a soft cloth to remove light buildup without bending the sensor. Reinsert the flame sensor in its original position and tighten the securing screw. Close the furnace access panel securely. Restore power only after the panel is closed and the flame sensor is secured in its original position.